It's not that I don't want you here.
Good morning. Ignore that I look crazy. Today's gonna be a pretty full day because I'm about to cut Kate's hair, get the girls ready. We're gonna go to the library because they're having an event, a little like book reading at the library because that's an opportunity to get out of the house. I might also take them swimming today. So first I need to cut Kate's hair. Oh, and in case y'all were wondering, these clippers are from Amazon. I'll link them below. They work so good. They're really, really good. I love them. So it came in a kit with a cape and then all of the guards. Here are the smaller clippers. So these are the trimmers. And then you get a charging cord, some other guards and stuff in here, some oil, and yeah. And these are wireless. So you just go ahead and charge them, and then it tells you how much charge you have on the battery. And then with these, I just use the Babyliss Pro all-in-one clipper spray. And this spray disinfects, lubricates, cools, cleans, and prevents rust. So supposed to be looking for an Ariel doll for Corey, but like I'm wondering if she wouldn't like this. Never mind, these look a little cheap. Yeah, the clothes look a little cheap. But yeah, we went to see The Little Mermaid on Tuesday. It's Friday. We went to go see Little Mermaid on Tuesday, and I'm trying to get her an Ariel doll, but they don't have it, so I'll order it online. But also, I need to buy a new water bottle or a tumbler because, oh, here we go. I broke mine. So I think I'm gonna grab the same brand, but this one, which I hope will fit in the car, a cup holder. I don't want pink, so I guess I'm gonna go with this one. All right, I'm back home and in my little swivel chair. What was I trying to tell y'all? Yesterday. So I showed y'all me cutting Kane's hair, but I didn't show y'all where we went. We actually went to the library because they had like a little event, and then the kids ended up making friends there. Oh, excuse me. They ended up making friends, and it just turned into a whole thing. So we were at the library for like 3 hours. We also went swimming. I cut his hair. We went swimming. We came back home so they could take showers and stuff. Then we went to the library, and then we came back home. I brought them back home, and then me and Bernie went to the movies. So yesterday was a pretty full day. Today I'm working, and then I have to go back to the library at 1 because they're having a teen event that I want to take King to. We'll see if it's any fun. If not, I'll bring him back home. And then I have to go pick my dad up from the train station because he's coming this weekend. So another busy day. But I'm about to just work on a project for work until it's time to leave. And then, I need to get the kids up, get them showered and dressed and all of that. And I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the day. So we'll see.
It's much bigger than I have one right now. Which one is this?
What flavor is this?
I checked my toolbox and I didn't see
What?
What is up, y'all? So I am at TJ Maxx. I'm about to run in here and see if they, well, I want to look for some coffee syrup, and I'm also, well, they have a ton of coffee syrup here, but also I'm thinking about getting an espresso, so I want to just see what they have and see what options they have as far as coffee syrup. They usually have a lot though, so I shouldn't have any issues with that, but I'm still kind of on the fence about the Nespresso. And looking into other options for an espresso machine, not a Nespresso. But yeah, so that is, I think I'm about to run in here and just see what they have. I'm just curious. And that's pretty much it. I'm not really doing much today.